All right, I'm going to quickly now cut across to the very latest which is coming in, which is Ananya Pandey is going to be questioned for the third time by the NCB on the 25th of October. Let's quickly listen in on all the reactions filtering in right now.
मैं आपको सिर्फ इतना बताना चाहता हूँ,
क्या करेगा भाई क्या करेगा बोलिए सर।
मंडे को बुलाया गया है और उसके बाद आगे की कार्रवाई होगी।
सर कोई खास डिटेल व्हाट्सएप चैट को लेकर कोई उन्होंने नकारा हो जवाब ऐसा?
मैडम मैं आपको इन्वेस्टिगेशन से रिलेटेड कोई डिटेल नहीं बता पाऊंगा।
आर्यन ने ड्रग पेडलर के नंबर भेजे थे, उसके संबंध में क्या कुछ जानकारी उन्होंने शेयर की? अनन्या ने कोई जानकारी
नहीं, अभी कोई ऐसी जानकारी मेरे पास नहीं है।
सर ये ड्रग्स कार्टन में क्या कुछ एविडेंस मिले हैं? अनन्या के संबंध में कोई एविडेंस मिले सर अनन्या के संबंध में कोई एविडेंस मिले सर हैवी गॉट सर हैवी गॉट।
All right, viewers, that's the latest that is coming in. You just heard it from the NCB official there. Ananya Pandey is going to be now questioned for the third time on the 25th of October, which is the coming Monday. On being questioned whether there is going to be an impending arrest of Ananya Pandey or will she be detained, the officer of the NCB said further action will be taken after her interrogation, which is going to be on Monday. One thing is quite clear, which is filtering out, that the NCB thinks that Ananya Pandey needs to answer more questions and is not giving what they really need right now in terms of cooperation. And that's the reason why Ananya Pandey is now going to be questioned for the third time running by the NCB on the 25th of October. That's the latest news break that is filtering in right now. Ananya Pandey will be called in once again for questioning by the NCB, and that will take place on the 25th of October, Monday. All right, so that's the latest. One thing that is filtering in at the round 2 of the interrogation by the NCB, Ananya Pandey was asked details. If you remember, on the at the back of the WhatsApp chat, in which she has stated, allegedly stated, that she can arrange ganja for Aryan Khan. The NCB today asked her who the peddler was that she was dealing with, how the money was exchanged, who was she procuring it from, and those were the questions that were posed to Ananya Pandey today. Whatever answers Ananya gave is something that the NCB feels needs to be further interrogated, and that interrogation will now ensue on the 25th of October, which is the coming Monday, the round 3 of interrogation of Ananya Pandey. Will more players will also be brought in? Are others also under the radar is something which is unclear as of now. But now the NCB is going to focus on the questioning of Ananya Pandey after 2 rounds. The first one took place yesterday, round 2 took place today, and round 3 of Ananya's questioning will take place on the 25th of October. Yesterday, Samir Wankhede himself questioned Ananya. Today she was once again questioned. There's always been a presence of a lady NCB officer as well, and she will be questioned again. The NCB does feel that Ananya needs to come up with a lot more than she is right now answering. She needs to disclose a lot more. She needs to cooperate a lot more. And with that purview, Ananya Pandey is going to be called in for the third round of questioning. I want to now cut across to my colleague Devesh, who's joining us for more details on the story. Devesh, would you give us details? The round 2 ended today. Clearly, the NCB not happy with the answers that Ananya has given. They feel she needs to be further questioned, and that is going to take place on the 25th of October.
Exactly, Preeti. There'll be a third round of questioning for Ananya Pandey. Today again, she was grilled for close to 4 hours and then allowed to go back home. Yesterday, she was grilled for 2 hours, and now again she's been called on Monday for the third round of questioning. And NCB officials are trying very hard to get details regarding if any details are there regarding procurement of drugs, if they've actually brought, if she has actually helped Aryan Khan in procurement of drugs, if she has consumed drugs, and all sort of details regarding procurement and consumption. They are trying very hard to get confession or get some details out of her, but as of now it seems that they have not succeeded. They have not succeeded, and they will grill Ananya Pandey again on Monday. She's been allowed to go. Remember, she was grilled by Sameer Wankhede, the NCB zonal director, while the investigating officer VV Singh was also present in the cabin.